I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Joplin. Notion is a powerful, all-in-one workspace, perfect for teams and individuals needing flexible organization. It excels in database management, project tracking, and collaborative document creation. Joplin, on the other hand, is a robust, open-source note-taking app, ideal for those who prioritize privacy and local control over their data. It offers excellent markdown support and end-to-end encryption for secure note-taking. Notion's strength lies in its interconnected pages and databases, allowing you to build custom workflows for almost any need. Imagine linking your project tasks directly to meeting notes and client databases. Joplin, however, shines with its straightforward markdown editor and robust search capabilities. It's perfect for quickly capturing thoughts, organizing research, and ensuring your personal notes remain private and accessible across multiple devices, even offline. Notion offers unparalleled customization, letting you design your workspace exactly how you envision it, from simple to-do lists to intricate CRM systems. Its block-based editor makes content creation incredibly flexible. Joplin, while simpler, provides excellent customization through plugins and themes, allowing you to tailor the look and feel. Both offer cross-platform access, but Joplin's strong offline capabilities and local data storage appeal to users who value data sovereignty and consistent access without an internet connection. When it comes to cost, Joplin is entirely free and open source, making it a fantastic choice for budget-conscious users. Notion offers a generous free tier, but its full power often requires a paid subscription, typically around $8 to $10 per month for individual pro plans. Both have vibrant communities. Notion boasts a massive user base sharing countless templates and tips, while Joplin's open-source community actively develops and supports the application, ensuring continuous improvement and user-driven features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.